Hi everybody, Flying Erferts channel with you guys. In this video I will show you some flying machines with the prices that can be purchased in the United States. If you ever had an idea of buying a plane, traveling freely without tickets and schedules, adventures in the sky and on the ground with your family, then this video is for you guys. For example, look at this water plane. You can land it on water. Imagine landing in Florida at some aeropark for the weekend with the family. Unfortunately, no price, but here is some sales contacts. Or look at this very nice small 2 passengers helicopter. The price $135. It's true, I don't know how long it can fly. Probably not from New York to San Francisco. And here is Bonanza, $65,000. 4 seats, pretty good airplane for travel to whole United States and Canada, maybe some close islands. Very nice airplane and pretty good price, I think. This aircraft named Pivotal, and it looks like huge drone. Actually, I think it is, and have lots of propellers, make the same sound and do same things in the air, just tug, turn, make a weird turns. Looks like totally like a UFO, not like a helicopter or airplane. And this is electric. You cannot travel too long on this. Yeah, just look next video how it's fly. Very interesting. This flying machine named Albatross. And yeah, it's for me it's looking totally like a jet. And I don't know, but maybe you will need it. Who knows? They not show price, but I'm sure it's pretty expensive. And it's pretty expensive for service, gas and everything. But who knows, maybe you need it. Or look at this flying machine. Yep, these things can just drive and then fly. I don't know the price, but you can check on internet. Look at this message board. Hundreds of private ads for sale of aircraft and spare parts with prices and contacts. If you are interested, just slow down that video and write down everything that interested you there. Well guys, I hope you like this video. Make a comment, like, subscribe, and look our next videos later. See you!